Okay, another first impressions. This is going to be on the Juno Co Microfiber Velvet Sponges. These are it. My friend Shanae got them for me. Thank you so much, Shanae. So excited to try these. So she got 2 of them, and they are 2 different ones. These are right here. This one has like a flat top, gets to contour. This is more round. These are dry. I'm going to wet them and see what happens. They feel nice and soft. Ooh, so soft on the face. Let's wet them and see how big they grow. So this is dry. This is dry. Okay, so I wet them. And these are wet. I really don't see a big old difference. But I don't know, you guys can tell. They still feel kind of dry. Alright, let's read some instructions. Oops, to use it dry. Oh, it said you can use it dry. So you use it wet and squeeze, apply liquid foundation, apply concealers, fluffy wet your Juno sponge by running it under water and squeeze out any excess liquid to begin. To the back of your hand and start application. Gradually add more product. Okay. So, okay, I'm going to be using my new favorite foundation, the Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter. It's a soft matte long wear foundation. I'm in the shade 210. So it says to apply the foundation on your back of your hand. And we're going to use this one right here. Wow, it's crazy. Actually applied really nice. And that's just one dab on the thing, sponge. I feel like I still have more. This is what the sponge looks like. Well, okay. One application of foundation. This applied really nice. Let me get a closer look. No streaks at all. Gave it a nice medium to full coverage. Nice. I'm liking it. Let's give it a second coverage. Let's see if I can build it up. Wow. Wow. I am pretty impressed. Okay, this is 2 coats of foundation with the sponge. Pretty amazing. I am loving it so far. I love the way I applied. I love the way it feels on my face. Nice and soft. That's my sponge after. Now let me finish my face. And then I'll be right back. Okay, I finished the rest of my face. I evened it out. I am shocked of how I apply my foundation. It looks really good. Not one spot is missing foundation. Not one spot is streaky. I'm really impressed. Now I'm gonna go with concealer. My favorite Born This Way concealer. And now I'm going to be using this guy right here. See how it blends. It's blending nice. I'm liking it. And actually the sponge feels kind of dry already. Dries up really fast, but still doing really good. Now let's do some setting powder. I'm going to use my favorite Huda Beauty. I'm going to use this side to set the whole face. Okay, I am done with my face. I set it with powder, concealer, and foundation. I'm just going to focus on that because I'm reviewing these sponges. These are amazing. They applied really nice. My foundation was full coverage. I didn't even have to double it, but I just put a second layer of foundation. Tomorrow I'm going to try it dry and see how that works, but I really do recommend these, and I believe they're like $6. I'll leave the information in the description box. And I'll let you guys know exactly how much it is and where to get it. But these are pretty dang good. I'm going to probably replace this one. Sorry. But these, I love the way it applied and everything. Let me know if you guys get these and how you like them. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.